In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best pool cues available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the pool cues mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Custom Carbon Fiber Pool Cue. Customize your play with this factory direct carbon fiber pool cue. Built with a center joint for balanced shots and a half split for easy transport. Choose your tip size, length, and diameter to suit your style. This cue is all about precision and comfort, crafted from quality materials and designed for serious performance. A great investment for anyone wanting a custom cue without the middleman. Number 4, David Loman Carbon Fiber Cue Stick. Step up your play with the David Loman Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick. At 74 cm, it's built for control and smooth strokes. Features an adjustable weight system and a precision joint for alignment. The high-quality carbon material offers durability and consistent power. Designed for both beginners and pros, this cue helps sharpen accuracy and enhance your performance. Number 3, CUESOUL Rock 2 Pool Cue Stick. The CUESOUL Rock 2 58-inch pool cue stick is crafted for reliable, tournament-ready performance. Weighing 19/20/21 oz and fitted with a 13 mm tip, it ensures accurate cue ball control. Comes with a stylish cue bag and joint/shaft protector for easy storage and transport. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive one, this cue combines precision, durability, and style for an elevated game. Number 2, Little Monster Carbon Jump Cue Stick. Master your jump shots with the Little Monster 41-inch Carbon Energy Jump Cue Stick. Designed for perfect jump ball and jumper techniques, it features a 12.9 mm cue tip for enhanced control, 9.5-ounce lightweight build for easy maneuvering, and a strong unilock joint. Built with carbon energy tech, it ensures powerful strikes and quick recovery. Comes with fast global delivery options via DHL, FedEx, TNT, and UPS. Number 1, YFEN Carbon Fiber Professional Pool Cue. The YFEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick is a top-tier choice for serious players. With adjustable length extension and weight options from 18 ounces to 21 ounces, it's designed for balance and control. The cue includes a full set, pro tip, gloves, towel, sanding paper, spreader bar, and a durable case. Built from premium carbon fiber, it delivers unmatched accuracy and smooth strokes. Perfect for pool lovers who value precision and performance.